Welcome back in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, standard 8, chapter number 10, hero worship. On page number 31, second line you see, but blindly following them may not be good for the society. Attributing divine powers to human beings is a sign of our ignorance. The real heroes never demand respect. They help the people to think for themselves. They do not run after glamour. They don't publicize their achievements. They never exploit people for their own personal gain. They sacrifice everything for the people they serve. Instead of being served by people, they are always at the service of the people. They are never worried about their personal images and gains. Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa were such people. They inspired people through their selfless service. They are loved and respected beyond their own country, religion, and caste. They have become universal heroes. So, my dear students, here in this paragraph, it is said we don't have to follow blindly to any heroes. If we are blindly following, that means we are ignorant people. We are not knowing about what is real heroes. Because real hero never demand respect. Real heroes are always trying to help people. Real heroes never behind of a glamour. They are not making publicity. Real heroes never exploit people for their personal gains. Always real heroes are ready to sacrifice. That is very important, because real heroes are never worried about personal image and gains. This all things is suitable with Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. And therefore, you please see, they have become, both are become universal heroes. Last paragraph. Heroes of another kind are the people with cheap popularity, with the vulgar show of their power and money. They try to get the people behind them. Senseless use of public money and position make them look greater than life-size heroes. In close analysis, we will become to know that their activities profited mostly themselves or their own close relatives or friends. Certain politicians, film actors, and even sportsmen acquires a huge amount of money for themselves, and they use it for their own name and fame. They evade taxes which they are legally bound to pay to the government. They accept costly gifts, and some of them even forge documents and cheat the governments to get various kinds of benefits. Though they earn crores of rupees, they never spend even a bit of it for the poor people. Still we worship them. The government gives them all kind of facilities and benefits which are denied to the needy persons. So, my dear students, here you see in this paragraph, no, some heroes are there, their popularity very cheap. In their show, they are showing vulgarity. They are loving too much power and money at any cost. They are behind of money and power. They are not using their senses. Their lifestyle also in a wrong manner. Whatever their activities are there, those also like that. And sometimes you see we are ignoring this everything. Even you see certain politicians, film actors, sportsmen, we are considering them as a heroes. But they are misusing their name and fame. Even in order to get popularity, at any cost they are doing many more things. Even in certain cases they are accepting very costly gift also. In certain cases they are cheating with the government also, associated with the tax and associated with many more things. Even though these heroes are earning lakhs of crores of rupees, they never spend some amount, even a bit of it, for the poor people. And even though we are worshipping, so that is not good. Government will give them total facilities and benefits which are denied to the needy persons. In real sense, needy persons supposed to get facilities, supposed to get basic necessities. So, my dear students, here we are keeping up to here. Remaining chapter we will see in the next video. So, thank you very much.